Alexandre Dumas' The Three Musketeers, published in 1844, is a classic swashbuckling adventure novel set in 17th-century France. It combines historical fiction with romance, action, and intrigue, centering on the exploits of its young protagonist, D'Artagnan, and his three inseparable companions, Athos, Porthos, and Aramis. The story begins with D'Artagnan, a young and ambitious Gascon, leaving his family to join the Musketeers of the Guard, an elite unit sworn to protect the French king. Despite initial misfortunes, including a duel with each of the three Musketeers, D'Artagnan eventually wins their respect and friendship. The famous motto, "One for all, and all for one," encapsulates the strong bond and loyalty that define their group. The novel's plot intertwines personal and political conflicts. D'Artagnan and his friends become embroiled in various courtly and political intrigues, often orchestrated by the cunning Cardinal Richelieu and his agents. Richelieu, the powerful chief minister to King Louis XIII, is determined to consolidate his power and undermine Queen Anne, who is suspected of infidelity with the Duke of Buckingham, an English nobleman. One of the central conflicts involves the Queen's diamond studs, which are at risk of being stolen by the Cardinal's spies. D'Artagnan and the Musketeers are tasked with retrieving the jewels to prevent a diplomatic scandal that could jeopardize France's political stability. This mission is fraught with danger and highlights the bravery and resourcefulness of the protagonists. Dumas' novel is notable for its richly developed characters. Athos is the melancholic and noble leader with a mysterious past, Porthos is the boastful, yet lovable, strongman, and Aramis is the charming and religiously inclined schemer. Each musketeer has distinct qualities that contribute to their dynamic group. D'Artagnan, though younger and less experienced, shows remarkable courage and quick thinking, which ultimately earn him a place among the esteemed musketeers. The novel also features a memorable antagonist, Milady de Winter, whose beauty and cunning make her a formidable foe. She is involved in several plots against the musketeers and the Queen, embodying the themes of betrayal and manipulation that run throughout the narrative. The Three Musketeers is celebrated for its fast-paced, adventurous plot, and its depiction of camaraderie and honor. Dumas' vibrant storytelling captures the excitement of duels, espionage, and romance, all set against the backdrop of the politically charged atmosphere of Louis XIII's France. The novel's blend of historical context and dramatic fiction makes it a compelling and enduring tale of friendship and heroism. In essence, The Three Musketeers remains a beloved classic because of its engaging narrative, memorable characters, and exploration of themes such as loyalty, honor, and the consequences of political machinations. Its influence extends beyond literature, inspiring countless adaptations in film, television, and other media.